Alright, hello everybody. Today I'm going to present to you my major career and plan ideas. Starting off, I'm Caroline Pearson. My future career, I want to be a school counselor. So school counselors are licensed psychologists who work in schools to help students. They advise and provide counsel for academic, social, and emotional problems. They provide individual academic student planning, and they maintain communication and relationships with the students, faculty, and parents. Required education, bachelor's degree in psychology or education, a master's degree in school psychology, school counseling, or counseling, an experience in a school environment as a faculty member, and a doctorate degree is optional. So this is in relation to my four-year plan. My four-year plan is I'm going to graduate with my undergrad in psychology in December of 2021, and then hopefully work in a school until fall of 2022, where I can start my master's program for school psychology or school counseling. Some of the schools I'm applying to are like Brigham Young University, Boise State, University of Houston, some other smaller Texas schools because that's where I'm from. Here is a personal picture of me and my sister's dog, Billy. She's very cute. Why psychology? I've always had an interest in understanding people and why they are the way they are, why they act the way they act. I think that's super interesting, and I have a passion for helping and serving others. And when I was in high school, I was an aide for one of the counselors at my school, which allowed me to kind of see what she does on an everyday basis and really understand the job, which kind of helped me decide that that's what I wanted to do. And here's the comparison to my reasons versus other reasons. From chapter 13, I have a strong interest in this subject matter of psychology. I want to become a professional psychologist. That psychology is a good undergrad degree to prepare me for a graduate or professional degree. A bachelor's degree in psychology will prepare me for a job. I want to become an academic psychologist. Psychology is a good undergrad degree to help prepare me for teaching, and I want to figure myself out. And so these are pretty similar to mine, in the sense of I do have a strong interest in the matter of psychology. I want to become a professional psychologist. And an undergrad will help me prepare me for graduate school, my master's, and it'll help prepare me for a job. And here are my resources. Thanks, guys.